Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Camry. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.